Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the next couple of minutes, I will be explaining you everything about lead magnets, right, in very short span of time. So let's not waste more time and dive deep into it. Okay, I don't know why this my node is open, but anyways, if you have seen it, kindly ignore. So if you're new to my channel, I share daily tips for entrepreneurs and business owners, like 7 habits of entrepreneurs, social, how to leverage social media for your business, right? How to optimize that social media, how to build content factor, right? You need to promote your service or product and through content, right? So very important. And is if you are seeing that day 1 2 3 4 10, all this is because I'm running a 30-day content challenge. So the next one is building course mockup. Okay, there will be other videos aligned to it. So lead magnet complete guide, right? What is a lead magnet? Now lead magnet is something you offer in exchange for the details of your lead. For example, if I think you are my lead, then I'll run an ad and I'll give you this mobile, right? Mobile for a free, and I will tell you that just give me your email, phone, address, name in exchange of this mobile, right? So this is how lead magnet works. Either it is free or a very small investment. So after that, let me explain you why the lead magnet is important, right? Lead magnets are given in order to upsell them in the later stages, right? By giving stuff for free, you will never make money, right? Definitely, how will you make money if you are just giving? There needs to be some value exchange, right? When you give value, you need to receive some value. Okay, so 99.9% of time there is definitely some sort of upsell which comes either immediate or later in stages. Okay, the second thing is to give value and taste of your product or service, right? You can just give something like a free trial or just they, so that they can recognize that yes, there is some Purav Rathod who is teaching young entrepreneurs and business owners, how to leverage social media to build skill and optimize their business, right? So that's that. Data can be used for making right decision, right? You may run survey in your audience, right? Then they will give you certain sort of suggestions that they need this kind of problems, and they face this kinds of problem and they need this kind of solution, right? So you can use that data and make some right decisions, right? Create some better solutions for them. Once you have their data, you can connect and engage, right? You can send them mails, you can connect with them over a call, right? And you can discuss with them. So they voluntarily give their personal data in exchange of some sort of value. That is called as lead magnet. Now what are some classic examples of lead magnet, right? I have listed 11 examples, but there can be many, right? Ebooks, checklist, survey, free trial, audiobook, master classes, webinars, courses, consultations, trainings, audits, community access, right? Email sequences or list, right? So these are some of the examples that they offer you for free. They offer you in exchange of your email, and later when they get their email, or you know they get their details, they can connect with you and offer their service and product. There is nothing wrong in upselling them, as they get their solution and you get your value. So that is how a lead magnet works. So I hope I was able to make it very clear and explain you in the right way that how this lead magnet systems work. And I hope you like this video. Just hit the like button, share it with your entrepreneur friends, and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Also press the bell icon, and you know what? See you soon. Bye bye.